Good morning, Dainfern College family, friends, special girls and boys, wherever you are this morning. Wasn't that rain incredible this week? My word, it was powerful and quite scary, and I know some of our classrooms even flooded, but how blessed we are to get that rain and to know that God is looking after His earth and sending the rain to shower down and help everything grow. You know, God looks after all of us and He doesn't make any mistakes. And our message today is about just that. Are we all the same? Oh, you know we're not. Are we all magnificent? Yes, you know that too. So I want you to think about your favorite flower. I know what my favorite flower is, and I'm not going to tell you that, but I also know that our teachers all have different favorite flowers. And if you filled a vase with my favorite flowers and filled a vase with one of our teachers' favorite flowers, you would have a vase with two beautiful bunches of flowers in them. But if you notice the bouquets of flowers and the bunches of flowers that you see when you go into the shops with your mums and dads, you will notice that when you put lots of different flowers together, you make a more beautiful bouquet than ever, because somehow the mixture of all those beautiful flowers together becomes something very, very magic and very, very special. I hope I'm making sense. What I'm saying is that lots of different, wonderful, beautiful things together become something better than all those things are when they're just by themselves. And that's what our teachers are going to share with you today. So enjoy their story, enjoy the last little bits of school, last moments of school. It's not little bits, but it's only a few days left in your special spaces and the classes and with the teachers that you've grown to love. So enjoy it, have a special day every day, and I look forward to seeing you all when I do. God bless you all.
Who loves coloring in? Do you feel relaxed when you color in? We are going to tell you a short story today about some crayons, and I've got some teachers who are going to help me.
While walking into a toy shop one day, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say.
I don't like red, said Yellow.
No do I, and no one here likes orange, but no one knows why, said Green.
We're a bunch of crayons that don't get along. Something is wrong, said Blue.
Well, I bought that box of crayons and took them home with me.
So Coach Nolutandu laid out all the colors so the crayons could see. They watched her carefully.
Coach Nolotando started to color with red, blue, yellow, green, purple and orange, and every color in between.
We watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky.
The yellow sun was shining bright on purple clouds drifting by. Colors were changing as they touched, becoming something new.
They watched me as I colored. They watched until I was through. And when I had finished and walked away, the crayon box had something more to say.
I do like red, said Yellow.
So do I, and Blue, you are terrific so high in the sky, said Green.
We are a box of crayons. Each one of us is unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete.
So, let's embrace each other as everybody is special. Everybody is important, of course, and everybody is different. Together, just as the different crayons created beautiful pictures, we make the world beautiful as we bring our gifts together for each other.